Today we're taking a look at a new keyboard from one of my favorite keyboard manufacturers, Yunzi. This is the Yunzi YZ75 keyboard, my new favorite budget wireless 75% mechanical keyboard. Available in a few colors, I decided to go for this white version with pre-lubed Gateron G Pro brown switches. And right out of the box, I'm in love with the great quality, retro look, and thocky sound and tactile feel. I mean, listen to this. That is an incredible sound right out of the box. The pre-lube stabilizers and switches feel incredible and have a great sound profile. Tearing it apart, we can see a few reasons why this keyboard sounds so good. There are 2 layers of sound-absorbing foam sandwiching this aluminum plate, and I love that the keyboard comes with this piece of acrylic and cool plate that you can use instead of the home, page up, page down, and end buttons to give you that incredible space theme playing along with the built-in south-facing RGB, and this diffused RGB strip on the side of the case makes it that much cooler. Check it out in the link down below.